Why you should never retry your credit card if it got declined online. Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Dawn. Today in this video, I'll talk about why you should not re-enter your credit card information with a different credit card if your first credit card got declined online. So what happened in the past, I used to do the same thing. Let's say I'm shopping online and my first credit card got declined, then I would enter like second and third credit card. And fortunately, I got lucky. It never happened to me. But these days, scammers are cloning actual websites, for example, Amazon or Hudson's Bay or Macy's. And you can, go to their cloned website. And if you got declined, that means that, they got your or they copied your credit card information for the first time. And then when you re-enter with another credit card, then you give them actually your second credit information as well. And that way they can scam you. So I'm going to give you a few simple tips. So if you follow these, it should minimize your risks and always be vigilant and keep an eye out. So the first thing do not open any pop-up or any pop-out or any email or any links from any text or email messages to go into any shopping website. And also do not search online for a specific website and go from the search results. For example, do not put Amazon on a Google search box or any other websites where you shop and then click on the search result. Instead of that, go to that website directly by typing in on the browser. For example, let's say amazon.com. You type it in and then go there, or if you have a link saved which you used before, you can go there too. And also, whenever you're shopping online, make sure that the web address URL has the S. For example, HTTPS. If you're shopping on any site and it has only HTTP dot, the site slash double slash and then www or just the name of the website, then what it means that your information can be intercepted by scammers, and that way, they can have your credit card information. So always make sure that you have HTTPS in the beginning of that web URL address. And also, if your credit card declined online, do not enter your second or third credit card right away. Call your bank immediately and just make sure that the credit card decline actually was from the bank. It was not initiated by the website or someone is trying to copy your credit card information. And also make sure that there are no suspicious activities on your credit card account. And if that happens, just keep an eye on your account. Another thing you can do is that instead of shopping online from laptop or computer, shop online via the apps of that website on your phone, because the apps you already installed and you have used before. So this is much safer than going to a fresh or brand new website online. And if you are like regular on a website and you shop, you shouldn't have to enter the your bank information or your credit card information, because the web if you save that on the website, they should already have it. So if you're getting declined, then it should click in your mind that something is not right, and do not enter another web banking or credit card information right away. Now, if this thing happens to you when you are actually outside, not even online, let's say you're shopping at a store and it got declined, just be suspicious. Don't try to take out another credit card and try it again. It's possible that the store or the gas station or anywhere, they have the phishing device which would read your credit card information, then they would scam you. So whether online or outside, if your credit card declines, and do not enter any other credit card right away, just be vigilant and take a moment to think and follow your common sense, and be always safe from scams. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.